Hello and welcome to Sprint 7 by King Huynh. I wanted to go ahead and get started on it right away by showing you that the centipede is fully functional, finally, and works exactly as it should. You detects the mushroom, takes the turn down and goes the opposite direction, and is able to detect the walls as well. So the movement for the centipede works fully functional. The only thing that isn't working in there right now is one, the animation, which wasn't was the least of my concern. I was more concerned on trying to get this centipede working, and two, for some reason, it's going slightly too far, little bit too far offset to the left. So when it hits a mushroom on the right, for some reason it doesn't go all the way to the mushroom. It kind of just stops a few pixels ahead and goes to the left. It I think the my centipede is also just slightly offset down by a little bit too, as you can see by these mushrooms down here. But it's something that I can fix with a couple of slight number tweaks to get it back on the grid. Otherwise, it works as it should. As you can see right there, it's clamped within a small box after it hits the bottom. And I'll go ahead and do this as well. Splitting works exactly as it should. The centipede do kind of overlap just a little bit, though. I haven't put a collision on them to see that they collide with each other yet. But all that works as it should. I did have a lot of help from a friend. Trying to get my pointers in place for the centipede itself. I do have the HUD on top as well, ready to go. It just says "Hello World" and the two live for right now. I leave it there. I don't have a function in score yet because I am using the score man. I want to implement the score manager that you have in there, so I don't have my own score up here just yet. But it will come within the next iteration as well. As like I said from the last iteration, I have all of my critters working, fully functional, except for my spider. My spider, I have it on screen moving to the right, but it doesn't have a movement pattern yet. I am yet to see the movement pattern within the spider, figure out the movement pattern and how it works. I'm sure I have a good idea on how it works. I just use the same centipede movement that I have here, except I put it within a random I put in within a random function where it picks from it picks one it picks one of four direction, which is like up diagonal, down diagonal, just straight up and straight down, while continuously moving a single direction. That I will get within I will try and get within the next iteration alongside the factories for each and every one of the critters. I have the spider factory in there, but I wanted to wait until next iteration where I'm able to get in the score manager in order to fully act upon it. I don't have the score manager in there yet, but again, the next iteration will have the score manager. I don't think it was required this sprint. What was required was, I believe, sound manager and wave manager, both of which I don't have finished, but I will get finished within the next iteration. Here's my centipede body and all the pointers that goes along with it. I also do have I also do have it updating every 8 frames as well. And I am using the finished state. I am basing it off the finished state machine that you had, using the movement and the move state in order to do my work. But besides that, the centipede does move as it should. Um, Again, I just have to fix the a small little left offset that it has within game. For my next iteration, splitting works just fine. I do also have to kind of fix the overlap as well. I'm gonna make them bump into each other and move down. It clamps within the box, and The HUD is all there as well, ready for the score manager. I just still have to implement the score manager for the next sprint, and that is all I have. Thank you for your time.